हरिः कर्ता।
Now let's look into the printing of arrays. Let's print the ND array. So when you print an array, NumPy displays it in a similar way to nested lists, but with the following layout. First, the last axis is printed from left to right. The second to last is printed from top to bottom, and the rest are also printed from top to bottom, so with each slice separated from the next by an empty line. So let's print a one-dimensional array and we will see how it looks. A one-dimensional arrays are then printed as rows. Let's see that. Okay, so let me check A equals to NP. Okay, this time I'll say 1D, sorry, 1D equals to NP dot range. I'll give it 6, so it's gonna create one-dimensional array, and you see that a one-dimensional array. Let's print this one-dimensional array and see how it looks. And this is how it looks. A one-dimensional array is printed as rows. That's it, a single row. This is a one-dimensional array. You have only one dimension. And bidimensionals are displayed as matrices that you can see on the screen. This is how they look like, bidimensional array. So print bidimensional array. So I'll take one more example. So this I'll say bidimensional array and np.arange, and I will take a 12 and I will add a shape so that I can get the bidimensional. So reshape is the one which I have to use, and a 4 by 3. Okay, and let me execute it. So bidimensional, this is how it looks. Let me print it and see how it looks. By this is what a matrix, a pure matrix. It looks like a matrix, a pure matrix. And tridimensionals, how does a tridimensionals will be displayed? Tridimensionals as a lists of matrices. Lists of matrices. Let's see how does it look like. Print tridimensional array. So trid np.arange, and how many? I'll go with the 24, and then I'll just use a reshape. A reshape, inside the reshape it's a tridimensional, So obviously I will take, I want two matrices and three rows and four columns. This is what I want. So try D, and this is how it looks. Let me print it. And here is it. It consists, it's a list of matrices, nothing else. It's a simple list of matrices. A one dimensional, a row, a single row, bidimensional, it's a matrix, whereas tridimensional, it's a list of matrix. Clear? So if an array is too large to be printed, then NumPy automatically skips the central part of the array and only prints the corners. Let's look into that. Print too big array. So what I'm gonna do, so I'll print directly, I'll say print np.arange, and how many, I'll put it yep, and this is how it looks. The central part of the array will be skipped, and the starting part and then ending part will be displayed. That's the corners of the array will be printed or displayed.